How to create playlist on your YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can create playlist on YouTube. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any part of this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your YouTube app and then tap on this library button at the lower right side, and after that here you'll get playlist. So you have to tap on view all, and now at the top right side you'll get three dots. Tap on here and then tap on create a new playlist, and after that from here you have to select some videos for your playlist. Then tap on next, and then now type your playlist name here, and under that you'll get privacy. If you wanna make your playlist private, then select private. If you wanna make your playlist public, then select public, and after that tap on create. And we are done. Here as you can see that my playlist has been created. So following this simple process you can also create your playlist. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.